First question. The mean of binomial distribution is 5. Find the value of expectation of 2x minus 9. Expectation of 2x minus 9 is expectation of 2x minus expectation of 9. Expectation of constant and variable is the constant will come out expectation of that variable minus expectation of constant is constant. Now expectation of x is the mean which is given as 5. So 2 into 5 minus 9, 10 minus 9, answer is 1. Question number 2. If x has a binomial distribution with parameter 4 and 1 by 3, then find probability at x equals to 1. N equals to 4 and p equals to 1/3. So q equals to 1 minus 1/3, that is 2 by 3, because we know that p plus q equals to 1. Now probability at x equals to r is NCR p to the power r q to the power n minus r according to the PMF of binomial distribution. Here n equals to 4, p equals to 1/3, q equals to 2/3, r equals to 1 given. So probability at x equals to 1 is 4c1 1/3 power 1 2/3 power 4 minus 1. So this is factorial 4 by factorial 1 factorial 4 minus 1, that is 3 1/3 and 2/3 power 3. So 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 3 to the power 3 is 27. Now factorial 4 is 4 factorial 3 factorial 1 is 1 and divided by factorial 3, and this is 8 by 81. Factorial 3 cancel, so the answer is 32 by 81. Question number 3. If x is a Poisson variate such that probability at x equals to 2 equals to 9 into probability at x equals to 4 plus 90 into probability at x equals to 6, find mean. We know the Poisson distribution is probability at x equals to r is e to the power minus alpha, alpha to the power r by factorial r. Here r is 2 and in this case r is 4, in this case r is 6. So e to the power minus alpha, alpha to the power 2 by factorial 2 equals to 9 into e to the power minus alpha, alpha to the power 4 by factorial 4 plus 90 into e to the power minus alpha, alpha to the power 6 by factorial 6. Now e to the power minus alpha is cancelled and alpha square also cancelled and factorial 2 also cancelled. So in the left hand side it is 1 equals to 9 alpha square by 4 into 3 plus 90 alpha to the power 4 divided by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Now 6 into 5 30 into 3 90 and 3 into 9 3. So 1 equals to 3 alpha square plus alpha to the power 4 and below it was 4, so this should be 4. Now let us write the equation 3 alpha square minus 4 equals to 0. Let alpha square equals to t. So t square plus 3t minus 4 equals to 0. If we solve this equation, then we will have t plus 4 and t minus 1 equals to 0. So t equals to minus 4 and t equals to 1. Now t cannot be minus 4 because alpha is always greater than 0. Therefore alpha square is 1. Now alpha is plus minus 1. As alpha greater than 0, so alpha equals to 1. The mean of Poisson distribution is alpha, so the mean is 1 here. Question number 4. A random variable x has density function fx equals to x for x less than 1 greater than 0, fx equals to half for x less than 2 greater than 1. Find the mean of x. We know mean equals to expectation of x, which is minus infinity to infinity x fx dx. So in this case 0 to 1 x functional value is x, that is x square dx, plus 1 to 2 x and half, so x by 2 dx. Now integration of x square is x cube by 3, limits 0 to 1, and integration of x is x square by 2, that 2 and this 2 4, so plus x square by 4 1 to 2. Now putting the limits 1/3 plus 2 square by 4, that is 1, minus 1 by 4, which is equals to 13 by 12. Question number 5. The probability density function of a random variable x is fx equals to k into x minus 1 2 minus x for x less than 2 greater than 1. Determine the value of the constant k. We know minus infinity to infinity fx dx equals to 1. Here 1 to 2 k into x minus 1 2 minus x dx equals to 1. 1 to 2 k into x minus 1 2 minus x dx equals to 1. K 1 to 2 2x minus 2 minus x square plus x dx equals to 1. K 1 to 2 3x minus 2 minus x square dx equals to 1. 3x square by 2 minus 2x minus x cube by 3. 1 to 2 k equals to 1. So k 2 square by 2, 2, 3 to 6 minus 4 minus 8 by 3 minus 3 by 2 plus 2 plus 1/3 equals to 1. 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 8 minus 1, that is minus 7 by 3 minus 3 by 2 equals to 1. K into 4 minus 7 by 3 minus 3 by 2 equals to 1. K 6 LCM 24 minus 14 minus 9 equals to 1. So k into 1 by 6 equals to 1. K equals to 6. If you have any question or doubt, you can drop in the comment box.